So, people, we are making a YouTube video while we are making a YouTube video. So, what's up? Me? It's my dog over there. Hey, Ziggy! Zig! Hi. Hi, little boy. Yeah, that's my dog. Um, yep, that's my phone up in there. See? It's my phone. I love this case. It's pretty. And it has like, I want to say, it has like rhinestones up in there. It's my dad's TV. That's my Ziggy. So this is gonna go bye.